Now I've got one contract here and I'm making $400 in 2 weeks. That's a 40% return on investment, return on margin in just the last 2 weeks. Let's say you went to 50 contracts. Now you're talking about $20,000 in profit potential in 2 weeks. How much money do you want to make? That's the only question. And the market is down. If you take a look over here, the Dow is down 190 points. The market could go down another 200 points and I'd still be okay. It could go up 200 points and I would be okay. It doesn't matter what the market does, and you're going to be in a profitable position. And that is the entire key to success in the markets. It's up almost $5. Tremendous, absolutely tremendous run here. We can either kind of take our profits up in here, a couple $1,000s on this trade. I put on my trades. All I do is sit back, monitor them, and then collect the money. That's all I do. It takes me 15 minutes a day, and I'm done. We have a profit of about $1,700. There's lots of money to be made in this kind of trading. This is the kind of trading that professionals do. They don't care if market goes up, they don't care if the market goes down. Either way, they make money. This system does not require you to have an opinion of the direction of the market. So you don't have to do technical analysis. You don't have to know anything about technical analysis. All I do is follow these columns all the way down to the overall totals, and I take a look at each one of these individual numbers and just make sure that they are all within the parameters that I want them to be in. And then if you need to, you adjust them, and that's exactly what we do. We simply manage these numbers. I go through and I teach you exactly what those are. I show you how to manage them, and that's why you just look at one set of numbers every single day and you're done. I mean, that's it. I said 15 minutes, but to tell you the truth, once you get used to doing this, it's going to be 5 minutes or less. And when I mean trade with confidence, I really mean trade with confidence, because once you put these positions on, you know exactly what's going to happen day by day. There won't be any surprises. Let me show you. Let me tell you exactly what the actual potential of this is. $1,600 margin, not much. Maximum profit, maybe around $1,300. If you were to put, let's say, double that, okay, now you're putting up $3,200 a margin. Now your maximum profit potential is anywhere from $2,400 to $2,600 for only $3,200 a margin. Let's say you did 10 times that. I put $16,000 worth of margin up. What's my profit potential now? My profit potential is $12,030 in this position at that one end, and $13,375 at this end. And if it's stuck right in the middle, it's $10,335 in 3 weeks to 4 weeks. And those are not, even that's not a very large position. This system does not require you to have an opinion of the direction of the market. So you don't have to do technical analysis. You don't have to know anything about technical analysis. There's lots of money to be made in this kind of trading. This is the kind of trading that professionals do. They don't care if market goes up, they don't care if the market goes down. Either way, they make money. All I do is look at it once a day. I put on my trades 30 to 40 days, 3 weeks to 4 weeks before expiration of the options. All I do is sit back, monitor them on a daily basis, and then collect the money. That's all I do. It takes me 15 minutes a day, and I'm done. And you know what? If you've got, if you only have a couple $1,000, hey, you can still make. Even if you only had a couple $1,000s of margin, look at the profits, $1,200 to $1,300 at the very worst, maybe $1,000, and the market can move up or down. It doesn't matter. $1,000 a month, only going to cost you $1,600. You get that $1,600 back in margin, plus you make the $1,000. So I don't see a situation in which you're not going to get a huge return on your investment. when you're trading with confidence, it doesn't matter what the market does. It doesn't matter if it moves up or down, and you're going to be in a profitable position. And that is the entire key to success in the markets. And I show you exactly how I do my trades and exactly how you can do your trades too. Then you're going to have the knowledge to trade with confidence. And that's what this is all about. Because it doesn't matter if the market goes up or down. Even if it runs against your position, you're going to have the knowledge of what you need to do in order to turn that position around and make it profitable. This is the real deal. This is how professional traders actually trade positions in large quantities. This is how market makers who know what they're doing and floor traders who know what they're doing, this is how they run their investment business. I've seen seminars for $20,000 that don't teach what I'm going to teach you in this course. Now it's all online. All you have to do is log in. And, in one, even one trade is going to cover the cost of this easily. I mean, with $1,600 of margin, and you can make about $1,000 a month on this, and the market can move up or down, it doesn't matter. You tell me, is that a good return on your investment? I think so. I mean, you're not going to get this kind of a return on your investment under any circumstances, under any other financial institution, only doing it on your own. And, like I said, it takes me 15 minutes a day, and I'm done.
If you're ready to truly succeed, you'll find it super easy with the live examples. Copy what we do without any of the complications that have held you back before. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced trader or just starting out. If you truly want to succeed, then grab hold of this opportunity and get on track by taking a strategic approach to trading. Uncover the secrets to how trading really works and achieve outstanding results today.
My story, 20 years ago, I started trading stocks and options, and I was making money week after week, $1,600, $2,000 every single week. I made money on the way up, made money on the way down. I thought I could do no wrong. I bought $16,000 worth of puts because I thought the market was going to continue lower, and that just about wiped me out. In fact, Barron's, the newspaper, Barron's came out and said this must be the bottom of the market because a retail customer bought $16,000 worth of puts. That was me. That was back in July of 1986, I think it was, or 87, I'm not sure. There was an actual article about my purchase of $16,000 worth of puts. I really got to get a copy of that article. And I lost my shirt. I lost every penny that I had. And it took me a long time to figure out how to really make money in the markets. And I'll tell you, with confidence, how to trade with confidence. Because once you lose a ton of money, you're going to lose your confidence. And the only way to get it back is to learn everything you possibly can about the markets. And that's what I did. I learned every possible thing I could learn about the markets. And if you want to make money, this is the only way I have found to make reliable monthly income from the markets and how to build wealth over the long term. This is the kind of stuff you can hand down as something that is so secret that only market makers who are extremely successful have ever learned about these markets. And believe me, your grandchildren, your children and your grandchildren and their grandchildren are going to profit from these strategies, the same strategies that you can profit from now. They're going to be able to profit from 20, 40, 100 years from now because these will never change.